Residents, tourists, and supporters gathered at the banks of the Macao River this past Friday to witness the paddle-off of the annual Belikin La Ruta Maya River Challenge. It is a competition that is anticipated for many for the last 17 years. 2014 saw the participation of 59 teams that paddled on Belizean waters, striving to make it to the Belkin Bridge in Belize City. The 4-day race started on Friday in San Ignacio Town on the Macao River and ran east, ending at the Banana Bank on day 1, while day 2 had the paddlers leave Banana Bank heading to Doublehead Cabbage, and day 3 saw them working their way to Henderson's Bank, and on the final day they paddled to the Belkin Bridge in Belize City. Following all that endurance through the heat, the waters, and other elements, the Belize Bank Bulldogs claimed a victory as they clocked in with 17 hours, 25 minutes, and 13 seconds. The 3 paddlers for the Belize Bank Bulldogs were Armin Lopez, Amado, and Daniel Cruz. Love News spoke with Lopez, who was grateful for the win.
Put everything in God's hands. I want to big up Belize Bank for sure. I know my sponsor. Thanks very much, the best sponsor that I ever have, and all the fans, Jerry Martinez and all the work from Belize Bank. Definitely proud of them and the teammate, Daniel Cruz and Amado Cruz. Without them boy today, them boy made push me today because today I really me hurt, I tell them why I want to know that I give it all that I have. I believe in I believe in a God first, but I believe in a too.
Love News Center also spoke with various participants in this weekend's much supported and anticipated race that coincides each year with the Barren Bliss holiday weekend.
You feel excited, you want to finish because you are tired, but it feels good seeing everyone shouting for you, coming in first.
Today was really great, a lot of experience. It was good. The first day was the best one because we came in 3rd overall. My father opened a big gap, and I thought that I played a big role to him the first day. So I give thanks to God first of all. I give thanks to my sponsor, Mr. Charway, Mr. Dean Williams, everybody, and I would like to give my service crew, Arts, and those guys, Shank, everybody. I give thanks to God first of all, though. We really work and train hard for this, so we deserve it, and in God's eyes, I know that I deserve it.
Excellent race through the creek was pretty tough. So if you notice, all the light teams get over the shallow water much better. So that's make a difference in the race. It's pretty fast. The young boy keep the race high today. We're struggling to stay on, but we stay on, and get popped off through the creek. But we expect that. That is no surprise to we. Whenever I see this bridge, it just make energy come to me because I said this is it till next year again. Also, I paddle my all out to the bridge.
It was kind of a little bit hard because I have 2 little young guys with me. That one is like 12 and the next one is 14, and it's first time they are paddling, and I didn't get a lot of chance to work out with them because we're a police, we have to work, and then I have classes at night and things. So.
Oh wow! So you're doing the school thing as well?
Yeah. So.
Excellent job. Which leg was the hardest for you?
Well, I think the 3rd day was the kind of hardest because one of the young guys got sick, so it was kind of hard for me. But little guys, they are young, and you can't be pressuring them. You just have to keep them positive, and because all we are doing, like they are police cadets, we decide to bring a small team because you don't want them on the street,
Second place went to Niche, while the BTL's Cubs arm came in 3rd. The race had 8 categories, namely male, female, mixed, masters, dory, intramural, pleasure craft, and family. Reporting for Love News, I am Renee Trujillo.